Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Redmi Note 11 Pro. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them for sure in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax. Now you have to grant permissions to the camera and to the files is necessary. Okay, now to choose the document, click on this little plus and choose source of it. I'm gonna pick something from gallery, like this one. You can also select more than one photo, of course. If you already click import, now you can add the shape of your document. If you already click the arrow, okay, now we can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. Okay, if you already click accept, type the number here. And don't forget to choose the country from the list. Okay, now we can give a small note in this place. If you want to add more documents, click on this little plus, maybe something from the other source, just do it like before. If you want to send only this one or the documents from this list, just click here, buy your credits or get free, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.